If you wanna change app permissions on your Motorola Moto Z, open Settings, click on Apps and Notifications, enter the app permissions, and as you can see, here we have a couple of options like contacts, location, microphone, phone, messages, storage, additional permissions. So we can set up everything here. I will go for the location, and for the maybe calendar. So I'm gonna give the access to the calendar and turn off the access on the Google. Yeah. And as you can see, this is how it works on the Motorola Moto Z. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course, subscribe to our channel.